Hello everyone, hi my friend, this is Nancy from TEMAX, and you can see we have 4 rollers here. This roller is used for the kitchen cabinet and or wardrobe cabinet or any other your furniture cabinet door. And we want to introduce you this 4 roller because now we are in promotion. We're at very competitive price for these rollers. And because now the clients are many clients are looking for this roller, especially for the Middle East market, like Egypt, like Iran, like Turkey, Israel, many, because this roller is suitable for the whole wide market, the world market, because it can use for different furniture door. And now I want to introduce you the roller feature. You can see you will find here. This is a yellow clip and the white clip. What's this? This one is the locker. It's for because when you installing, you can adjust the door height like this with these 2-piece spring. This 2-piece spring up, and down is the adjustable door height. This one is used to lock. Before installing, you can lock the roller like this. Okay, this situation is locker. Now, after installing, when you adjust this roller at a suitable height, then release this hook. And it's okay. You finish your installing. You can see. Let's say again. The locker here. Clear? 2 spring both sides. Adjust. Okay. Catch the locker. Then release. Very easy. What color is the fast, easy lock? You can see this finish is shiny zinc. Also, we can do black. You can choose the color. You can choose the zinc finish or black color, 2 colors. Okay, the bottom roller is nylon material, so it can strong enough to load your door. The capacity is good. You see. Okay, this is bottom roller, and I show you bottom roller here. Here, this part, bearing. You can see the bearing. Yeah, here this part, bearing. So, please see my hand. So you can see the roller can slide very smoothly. This bearing is very important because it can help your door sliding very smoothly, like this. Okay. This is the roller. Here this part is adjust the door height. You can see screw thread, door height, 2 spring here, adjust. The clip-on locker, plastic clip-on locker. Easy to lock here. Zinc finish color, very good finish, smooth, shiny zinc finish. Roller. The roller diameter is 42 or 48. You can choose as per your request. And the material, the weight, the door roller weight, you can choose 120 gram, 135 gram, and 150 and 170. So we have 4 different grams according to your request, because some clients want to have a better competitive price, so they want to choose the lower weight. Also, we can do for you. Also, if you have different requests, I will also can OEM for you. Just please send us your request, your inquiry, as to our contact information. Okay. So if you have any client, or you are from Egypt or like Turkey or Middle East market, or you are importing the furniture hardware, maybe you like this one, because this price is very competitive. Now we are in promotion during this November. Sorry, in the whole November we're in promotion for this one, because now our clients is increasing the order quantity week by week, so we can get a very good price for you. This one, this for roller. You can see this roller have a hole here, this have a hole here, because some clients like this model. Also we have another model without hole, like this one here. So you can choose this model or this model, or also if you have different model, just send us a picture. Okay.